We're back in action. Today, I'm going to do pad thai. Y'all know how I like Thai food, especially pad thai, my favorite dish in Thailand. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. You do it my way, of course. One way, all vegan. The other way, we're just going to add an egg. That's going to be the only real difference. The main thing is traditional Thai, pad thai, is a noodle-based dish. It's mostly noodles. When I do it, it's noodles plus a lot of vegetables. And if you put an egg in there, that's more consistent with the traditional way, but you don't have to put an egg in there. I don't use fish oil. In this case, I'll be using a little bit of canola oil and a little bit of sesame oil. Now, if you don't want to use canola oil, you can use some other type of oil, because I know a lot of people have issues with canola oil. So I'm going to start with, and also you do need a wok for this dish. You can do it in a pan, but a wok works much better. So first I'm going to show you all the nice vegetables I'm going to throw in here, and then I'm going to show you how to do pad thai. Alright, so what do we got here to throw in here? Well, we got some mushrooms. We got some cabbage back there, green cabbage this time. I actually got some kale in there. I got some zucchini slices cut up, got broccoli, got red bell pepper, got bean sprouts, got onions, got some other, this is oyster mushroom back there, and of course there's the egg if you're going to use it. And finally, some crushed up peanuts. Those are the items that are going to go into the dish along with the noodles, as I'll show you how to do it. And then of course we have the spices. That's your sesame seed oil. This is sriracha. This is gluten-free soy sauce right here. This is tamarind sauce, very important for the flavor. Thai peanut sauce. We got black pepper. We got granulated garlic, or you can use fresh garlic. And then we have a little salt. Those are all going to go together in the pan, make for this great flavor. Okay, so then you're going to use your noodles. Now you can use different sizes, and sometimes I combine a larger one with a thinner one, whatever. This is a medium-sized noodle. You can find these at Asian food stores. You can even find them at many Whole Food stores or even Publix. They come in different packages, varieties, whatever. I get mine from the Asian store. They'll come in a package like this. They'll be dry and hard, and then you take them out and you put them in a container of water, which is what I've done here. You leave them in there for about 30 minutes to an hour. They're going to soften up, and then they'll be like this. And then you're just going to use that in your wok. So you're going to need your peanuts crushed, so you put them in a little bag, and you just take the end of a knife or something and just beat on down like that till you get them crushed down like that. Alright, so we're going to start this with heating up this oil in this wok. It's going to heat up real fast, and then I'm going to drop that egg in there. Just gonna get that egg and stir it around. It's gonna scramble like that. Once we get the egg in, we're gonna add in the vegetables. Gonna dump them all in there. Might seem like a lot, but it's going to cook down pretty quick. I'm just going to add just a little bit of water to the pan. Then we're going to just move those babies around in there. You notice how hot that pan gets real quick. Needs a little more water still. Basically gonna steam these vegetables down. Of course, if you had a pad thai at a restaurant, it wouldn't have all those vegetables in there. Like I said, this is my version. So I'm gonna go ahead and let those cook on down. And then we're gonna add our noodles in. Now you can use whatever size noodles you want to. I'm going to use a medium size. Alright, so remember now, for the vegan version, I'm going to turn this off for a second. For the vegan version, we're just going to put in the oil, no egg, melt the vegetables down. Then we're going to add in the noodles. Throw them in the pan like so. And they will cook down more than you think. Alright, so I'll put the noodles in. I'll turn the fire back on. And then I'm going to add in the spices. So I'm going to start with salt. A little salt in there. Then I'm going to put in tamarind. Quite a bit. Then I'm going to put in a little sriracha. And then I'm going to put in a little black pepper. And then I'm going to put in tamari. Or you can use light grade soy sauce if you prefer. And then I'm going to put in garlic powder or garlic granules. Could have used regular garlic. Once I get it like that, I'm going to let it cook on down. You notice I put a little water in the bottom. Most of that water is going to cook out of there. Doesn't take long for the noodles to cook down. Let that keep going on high heat like that. Just gonna cook those noodles on down. Getting everything softer and softer, just like that. Now I'm going to throw the peanuts in. Save a few of them to put on top. Mix that in. Of course, that's going to take up some of that liquid. It's about where I need it right there. I'll turn the fire off. Last thing, of course, is a nice peanut sauce like maybe that one. Throw that in there. Give it that final touch. And last but not least, you can use a little bit of, this is a Thai chili paste. It's hot and a little sweet. I put a little sweet in there with it. And I'm just going to pour some of that in that dish. And all I got to do now is just toss this and it's done. Just toss it. Peanut sauce, the chili, the tamarind, and all the other spices come together. And yeah, this is a nice dish. And that's it, fans. The next thing we're going to do is plate it. Alright, and there it is. So for the plating, we use a little bit of sriracha to balance out the dish. Not only does it make it look kind of nice, but then you can stir your pasta into the sriracha if you want a little bit hot. I make mine hot anyway. We add some cilantro on top, peanuts on top, and a little green onion, and then that is general presentation for the pad thai. Bon appetit.